Good sweet morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to be explaining to you why I bought this microphone when I should have bought this microphone. Stay tuned. So as many of you know, recently I've been obsessing with the way my videos sound. And while doing that, I came across a YouTuber who I'm very fond of named Curtis Judd. And I'll leave a link in the description below to his channel. Curtis is a no BS video guy and especially a sound guy. He is really one of the greats when it comes to video and audio knowledge. He's got about 90,000 subscribers now, and I am pretty sure that number is going to continue to rise as he continues to put out great content. In one of Curtis's videos, he mentioned that a shotgun microphone is not ideal for indoor dialogue audio recording. What?
And this is especially relevant in cases where you're recording in a room that might be a little bit more reverberant or have a little bit more echo. And we ended up kind of finding that shotgun microphones may not be the best choice for those types of circumstances, and instead a cardioid, a supercardioid, or a hypercardioid microphone with a small diaphragm condenser may be a better choice.
A shotgun microphone like this, the Zoom SGH6, he says is not ideal for indoor audio recording, and here's why. Shotgun microphones are designed to focus on what's in front of them and reject sounds that are coming in the side. Now, the issue lies in this sound rejection coming in the side. So when you're in a room recording dialogue, a lot of the times you're gonna have reverb, you're gonna have echoes. That's especially the case in my apartment. I have cement floors and brick walls, and there's a lot of echo. So what happens is when I speak, the sound bounces off the walls in the room. When the sound of my voice bounces off the sides of my room and then hits the side of this microphone, it is then rejected. So what it's doing is it's canceling out the sound of my own voice because of the reverb that's coming into the side of the microphone. This generally results in a loss of quality, which I certainly am not interested in. Curtis recommends for indoor dialogue that you get yourself a supercardioid or a hypercardioid type microphone, and that's exactly what I did. I picked this one up. This is the Samson CO2 Supercardioid microphone, and today we're going to be comparing it to my original Zoom SGH6 shotgun microphone for indoor dialogue. So we're going to put them up against each other. Before we get started with the sound test, I do want to go over the build quality of these two devices. Both are extremely high quality. Both are made out of what appears to be a milled aluminum or metal of some sort. A benefit or downside to this microphone is you have to plug it into a compatible Zoom recorder product. In my case, I have a Zoom H5 recorder, and this plugs right into the top, just like that. And it can get a little tricky when you're booming it, but I found a way around it using this shock mount for one of my other microphones that I attached to a mic stand. The Zoom SGH6 runs for about $130. Now moving on to one of the lower priced options that YouTuber Curtis Judd recommended. He recommended that you check out the Samson CO2 microphone kit here. Now this runs for about $110 and comes in a 2-pack. So you actually get 2 of them, which could be helpful in certain sound situations, I guess. These are hypercardioid microphones, which are the type of microphones that Curtis recommends you use when you're recording indoor dialogue. And it comes with this cool plastic case, which I certainly can appreciate. Good packaging tends to win me over, even though I'm just gonna throw these microphones in my camera bag because they're so cheap anyway. For this video, I'm using the Samson CO2 microphone boomed right above me here. Right above me. You're going to want to get that microphone about 12 to 18 inches from the subject's mouth for an optimal recording. The Samson CO2 microphone appears to be well built, made of metal, and it has a modular design here where you're actually able to replace these capsules on top with different types of diaphragms if you're interested in doing that. I'm going to start with just using this one and see how I like it. This is an XLR type microphone, so you are going to need an external XLR recorder in order to use this microphone. Additionally, both microphones come with a shock mount, which allows you to attach it to a boom pole or a microphone stand or something like that. I thought that was a nice feature. That's just an extra thing you don't have to buy, and considering the price point, you know, I'll take anything I can get. They also come with these foam windscreens, which I've heard don't work very well, but I don't plan on using this outdoors anyway. Now let's give these microphones a little indoor dialogue test. So we're going to start with unedited versions of both microphones. Hello, hello, hello testing. This is the Samson CO2 microphone in the super cardioid pattern. This clip is unedited. And now we're testing the Zoom SGH6 shotgun microphone connected to my Zoom H5 recorder, an equal distance away from my mouth, and this clip is unedited. Testing, 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 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. This is the Samson CO2 super cardioid microphone with a little bit of processing done to it. How do you think it sounds? And now we're testing the Zoom SGH6 microphone. This is an equal distance to my face from the Samson microphone, and this clip is edited. So there you have it. All in all, I think both microphones are usable for indoor use. However, I can clearly tell that the super cardioid Samson CO2 microphone definitely takes the cake in this noisy, echoey room. I also like to consider the fact that I have 2 of these microphones now, so I'd be able to get some sort of interview dialogue if I needed to. I can also see this microphone being super useful for things like podcasting, and the fact that it comes in a 2-pack makes it just the perfect storm for things like that. Plus, it's just a great multi-purpose, all-around microphone. For 110 bucks, I recommend you pick it up. I got mine on Amazon, although B&H Photo sells them as well. But I'm not throwing away my Zoom SGH6 microphone. I think this is usable for outdoor use and clearly for just capturing general audio when I'm recording running and gunning and things like that. So this is not going to sit on a shelf for sure. Thank you very much for watching my video today. I have posted an audio tutorial in the past that I'm pretty proud of, although I do use the shotgun microphone in the audio tutorial. But as far as setting up your audio goes and sound editing goes, I would definitely take a look at that video. I'll link it in the description below. And without further ado, thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this, and be sure and have a good rest of your day. Thank you very much for watching.